Please note that this video was created for the orientation of graduate and professional students due to start at Queen's University in September 2020. Should you be watching these videos at a later stage, some of the information may have changed. You should follow the relevant links and confirm these details on the websites mentioned and/or contact the relevant people giving the videos.
Hi, my name is Carly Fink, and I'm one of the career counselors from Queen's Career Services. Today, I'll be sharing some information about career services and how our department can help you find experiences to build skills and advance your career. Please note that the information in this video forms part of the 2020 orientation, so some information may be time sensitive. In this video, I'll provide an introduction to career services and an overview of what we offer. Career Services usually operates out of Gordon Hall, which is located at 74 Union Street. However, for the time being, we are delivering all our services remotely. At Career Services, we work with undergraduate and graduate students from all faculties and schools. Our job is to support you in your career development. That includes figuring out career direction, looking for jobs, and developing professional skills throughout your degree. If you're not sure what you want your career to look like, Career Services offers one-on-one appointments in which you can meet with a career counselor. Students commonly wonder about what they can do with their degree, how to find information about different types of jobs, or how to make decisions that are right for them. If you book a career consultation appointment, you can have an open discussion or bring specific questions that might be weighing on your mind. You can also use a career consultation appointment to practice for an upcoming interview. To book a career consultation, please visit My Career. My Career is a portal that Queen's students can access through the Career Services website. Visit careers.queensu.ca and then click the Log into My Career button on the left-hand side. Use your Net ID and password to log in and then notice the menu of tabs down the left-hand side. Click Appointments and then navigate to Book Career Appointments and find a time slot that works for you. At this time, career counselors are conducting remote appointments over the phone and through Skype for Business. All appointments are listed as Eastern Time, that is, the time zone of Kingston, Ontario, Canada. Career Services can also help you gain experience and build skills. A good starting point is your program's grad map. You can find your program's grad map at careers.queensu.ca/grad-maps. This tool can help you identify skill-building experiences available at Queen's, such as practicum opportunities in your program or co-curricular activities relevant to your field of study or your future goals. One example of such an activity is the PhD Community Initiative, which provides PhD students the opportunity to help local community organizations solve problems. Throughout the program, students participate in 4 workshops that help them name and describe the skills they are building and explain how these skills can support their overall career development. You can also seek out your own work or volunteer experiences. My Career contains a few different job boards where employers who want to hire Queen students can post positions, as well as events where you can connect with employers. The first My Career job board we'll discuss is the Work-Study program. Work-study jobs provide students with the opportunity to work part-time while completing their degree. Most of these positions are on campus, but some are with local nonprofit organizations. Employers hire work-study students to do many different tasks. However, all work-study jobs pay the same wage of $14.60 per hour, including vacation pay. A student participating in the work-study program can earn up to $1,500 per term. Students in any year of any faculty or school at Queen's can participate in the work-study program. To be eligible, a student must meet two main criteria. The student must have demonstrated financial need and must be registered in a full-time academic load for both the fall and winter term. A full-time academic load is defined as 9 credit units or higher per term. If you have questions about the work-study program, please visit the work-study program page on the Queen's Student Awards website. If you're not sure about your eligibility or the amount of work-study funding that you are entitled to, please email bursary@queensu.ca. If you have questions about the work-study job postings, please email wkstudy@queensu.ca. To browse work-study jobs, log into My Career, select Work-Study Program from the menu on the left, and then click the Search Job Postings button at the top of your screen. If you have further questions, please contact the folks listed on the previous slide. The next My Career job board we'll look at are the general job postings. To access the general job postings, you would select General Job Postings from the menu on your left-hand side and then click the Search Job Postings button at the top of your screen. You may want to use the checkboxes to specify which types of jobs you are seeking, as this section includes part-time jobs, full-time jobs, summer jobs, and volunteer roles. Some of these opportunities are on campus, but most are not. Some of these jobs are not even in Kingston. Some of these positions are aimed at current students, while other postings specifically target final year students or even alumni. If you are seeking work opportunities and do not see anything on My Career that suits your interest, continue to check back. New job postings are added often. However, it also helps to remember that My Career is not the only place you can look for jobs. In fact, many people find jobs by talking to other people, especially those who do work that interests them. If you are comfortable telling others that you are looking for a job, you might discover opportunities that are never posted online. It's easier to do this when you're comfortable talking to people in your field, which often includes those outside of your program, and if you are able to share your goals with them. If you are looking to connect with employers and learn about what they look for when hiring students and recent graduates, My Career is also the place to go. This time, go to the bottom of the menu on your left-hand side and click Events/Workshops. This will bring up the Career Services calendar, which includes information sessions. These are opportunities for students to learn from employers about their companies and about the positions for which they are currently hiring. For graduate students who are thinking about pursuing jobs in industry rather than in academia, these sessions can be a particularly helpful way to learn about your chosen field before you apply for a job. At this time, all career services events are being conducted virtually. Instructions for accessing information sessions and other events is included within each event's description. If you are looking for support during your job search, we offer many resources that might be helpful. If you don't know exactly what you need or where to start, try drop-in advising. A career counselor is available from 1:30 to 3:30 p.m. on Mondays through Thursdays and can quickly provide you with appropriate next steps. Drop-in advising is currently available through Skype for Business, and the links to these meetings can be found in orange on the My Career calendar. On that same calendar, you will also find our workshops in dark green, which can help you boost your job search. Career counselors lead workshops on common topics of concern for students, including resumes, cover letters, interviews, LinkedIn, and networking. At this time, all career services workshops are being conducted virtually. Zoom links are included in each workshop's description on My Career. We also have an abundance of resources available on our website, which is careers.queensu.ca. Navigate under the Students tab to Tip Sheets and Resources, and you will see our list of tip sheets. These are 1 to 5 page PDF documents filled with strategies to tackle students' most common concerns, including CVs and job searching. You can view or download these at any time. Also under Tip Sheets and Resources, you can access virtual magazines called Queen's Best Resumes and Queen's Best Cover Letters. These provide examples of strong resumes and cover letters and written descriptions of the strategies these students used in writing their documents. These can serve as inspiration for you as you come up with ideas for making your own resume and cover letter as strong as possible. If you would like personalized support as you craft your own documents, you can book a resume or cover letter review appointment on My Career. Still under this same Tip Sheets and Resources menu, you will find a tool called the Skills Cards to help you assess your strengths and areas to target for professional growth. Finally, Career Services also offers specific services to support international students during their transition into the Canadian education system and labor market. For example, prior to each career fair, we offer workshops to support students' success interacting with employers. We also partner with QUIC, the Queen's University International Center, to offer drop-in advising and to host job search workshops that specifically focus on international students' needs. I hope this video has provided you with new knowledge about how career services at Queen's University can help you build your career during graduate school. If you are looking for more information, please visit our website at careers.queensu.ca or attend the orientation Q&A session. Thank you very much and best of luck.